Hi everyone, welcome to Embellishments on the 11th, where we post handmade embellishments at noon Eastern on the 11th. We have, this is a collab with several of us, so please be sure to check the others out after watching my video. I would greatly appreciate it. Their links will all be in the description box below. So this month, if you watched my 10 on the 10th card, you saw I pulled out a Craftsmith pad, and I can't remember the name of it, and I don't have it right here. Anyway, I decided to use that also for embellishments because it had these strip embellishments. Let me just show you what I did. It's easier than trying to explain it. So part of the strip had these black with gold circles on down to where the ridgy part is there. So I took, I think it was a 2 1/4 inch circle punch and punched them out, and I still, even the end pieces, I got halves. Now I haven't used those yet. I haven't decided what to do with those yet. And then I pulled out my layering circle dies by Stampin' Up, and I used, I don't know, this one, so it's probably 2 1/2 inch basically. And then I decided it needed to go on something, so I cut 3 by 3 inch squares of basic black cardstock. I dug through my washi stash, I mean. And I pulled out several, but this one I felt really, it just added a little something in the background. I have no idea where I got this from. I will say the sticky isn't very sticky anymore, so I ended up using some art glitter glue like on the backs here to keep it down, and I didn't worry about that being all the way across or anything because these are meant to go on like cards or something. And then I pulled out this pearlized doily pack. It's retired Stampin' Up, and guess what? I had 10 left and I used them all. They're all gone. I'm sad about that actually, but they're all gone. And then I thought, okay, well, something's missing. If I was going to use this on a card, I would need a sentiment or something. So first I did the Merry Christmas out of the, hang on, if I can get it up, out of the Word Wishes dies, item 149629. They're in the annual Stampin' Up catalog, so, and it has Merry and Christmas in it. But I kind of felt like it buried the rest of the embellishment, so I decided not to use that. And then I remembered we had this one in the current mini catalog, Peace and Joy. And the Joy die, I used this one and this first outliney looking one, which is, if you stamp the word joy, you would use this one and then the larger background. But if you die cut the word joy, then this becomes the background for it. So I did 10 of those. The little one in the gold mirror cardstock, which is that stuff I've been using from Paper Wishes. Sorry for the glare. It's really thick, 6 by 6 gold mirror cardstock. So I made 10 of those. 8 of them I did not put on these yet because then I got thinking, well, maybe I'd like them to be on the card, but maybe not right in the center of the thing, because I might want like a small sentiment or white strip going across with a different sentiment on, perhaps. So I have 8 individual joy embellishments and 8 of these without sentiments on, just with the washi, the doily, oh, and the gold, this punch out from the paper, and I'll get the name of that for you in a minute and put it in as a word caption, and is glued onto the gold mirror cardstock, but then they're bumped up on Stampin' Up's black dimensionals. These are the minis, but I used the regular ones as well till I ran out of them. So I have 8 of those, 2 with the word joy on, and 8 individual joys. And I actually do have a Merry Christmas here to use on something as well. And then I don't know what I'll end up doing with these sort of half pieces, but maybe I've seen some card designs where people have a strip going across and then they go like this, and I think I'll probably do that. So they'll go back in the pack. And yeah, that's what I did for this month. So inspired by the cards I had to make for 10 on the 10th, that paper pad. And there were 2 sheets, you know, with the long strips, and these circles were at the bottom of both of those sheets. So I punched out both of them, and I think it was 2 1/4, but whatever size punch it was. Oops, see what's happening? I missed that one. The washi's coming up. So yeah, this is Art Glitter Glue, which I'm not sponsored by any company for any products here other than Stampin' Up, which only was the doilies are retired, but the Joy dies and the Merry Christmas. Now, I also, Charlize's Crafty Corner a while back had gifted me little bows. I can't even figure out what I did with them. Anyway, I had a couple black ones, but again, I thought, no, I don't want to put a bow on because I might want to do something different, like have a sentiment go across this on a card. So these will probably turn into cards next month. But in the meantime, I have loads of joy in my life. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace, and go check everyone else out. Thank you for watching.